Hello everyone, how are you all?
I am fine, sir. What about you?
What about you?
But I am also fine, thank you. In this session, we are going to study English subject. In our last session, what we did study. In our last session, what we did study in the chapter number 5. Can anybody tell us?
Vocabulary junction. Sir,
Vocabulary.
Sir, vocabulary junction.
adjective.
Okay. So after vocabulary junction, acha, tell me one thing before moving ahead. Whether all the exercises related to the vocabulary junction did you solve or not? Now, in our last class, we studied about the compound adjective, and there are many exercises which are supposed to be solved by you all. So, is there any confusion in any of the question? Should I solve this one or should I move ahead?
Sir,
Move ahead.
How many have solved the question number 1? How many have solved the question number 1? None of the students I have. I hope. Okay, I will discuss it first. I will check that what you have written into your in your answer. I will ask from each and every one. But the first question is underline the compound adjective in these sentences. Underline the compound adjective in these sentences. The first line is Ansh Pandey, read the first one.
a well now right in coming to of confirms.
Two of what you are reading बेटा ध्यान से देखिए और पढ़िए प्रॉपर्ली इंग्लिश जैसे इंग्लिश पढ़ा जाता है कुछ भी बोलते हो देख के पढ़िए
A bell
बेल है या वेल है
now
बा है या वाह है
well
वेल है या बेल है ये बताइए
well
बेल में घंटी होती है बेटा दिस इज अ वेल डब्ल्यू से वाह बनता है वाह अ वेल नोन राइटर इज कमिंग टू द कॉन्फ्रेंस you should have to read like this well known ऐसे नहीं पढ़ते रीडिंग किया करिए डेली कम से कम 2 पेजेस जरूर रीड किया करिए अदरवाइज रीडिंग स्किल आपकी खराब रह जाएगी जो पढ़ लेते हैं उनके लिए भी एक सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें हैं कि हर दिन एटलीस्ट एवरी डे यू ऑल नीड टू रीड एटलीस्ट 2 पेजेस हम कितना भी अच्छा पढ़ना जानते हैं लेकिन अगर डेली अगर 2 पेज हम पढ़ लेते हैं ना रीडिंग करते हैं तो इससे कहीं ना कहीं हमारी रीडिंग स्किल हमारी स्पोकन स्किल ये इंप्रूव होता है सो नॉट ओनली द अंश पांडे इवन महक अबिरल दीपिका प्रिया you all have to read at least 2 pages कभी भी पढ़ लिया करो बेटा ये कोई होमवर्क नहीं दिया जाएगा
Yes, sir.
जो
Yes, sir.
रीडिंग
Yes, sir.
जो फ्रीक्वेंसी है वो ऑटोमेटिकली इंप्रूव होगी बढ़ेगी अच्छा लगेगा एक बार फिर से पढ़िए जैसे मैंने पढ़ा है अंश पांडे ऐसे ही पढ़ना अ वेल नोन राइटर इज
a well now right in is coming of the to the conference.
ये क्या व्हाट इज दिस WRITER व्हाट इज दिस
Writer.
ओके प्रिया read the first one read the first line in this
A well-known writer is coming to the
okay
conference.
you try beta let me know that how you are reading
A well-known writer is coming to the conference.
ये बेटा ये वेल और नोन अलग अलग है या एक साथ है व्हाट इज
सर
दिस
एक साथ है
ये वेल नोन है
एक साथ है
व्हाट इज दिस आपको अंडर कंपाउंड एडजेक्टिव को अंडरलाइन करना है व्हिच वन इज द कंपाउंड एडजेक्टिव इन दिस लाइन
well now
वेल नाउन नहीं है बेटा
Well known. Well known. Sir, well known.
वेल नोन तो वेल नोन आपको साथ में बोलना चाहिए अ वेल नोन राइटर इज कमिंग टू द कॉन्फ्रेंस अ वेल नोन राइटर a well known writer is coming to the conference in this way you have to speak okay read the second one read the second one beta
The arts festival is a congregation of open-minded people from various fields.
okay abiral read the second one beta you have to read
The arts festival is a congress to open-minded people from various fields.
Two. Is it two? OF2. What is this?
Sir, OF of
Acha, which one is the compound adjective in this line? In the second sentence, Saviral Chaturvedi.
open-minded.
And in the third line, which one is the compound adjective? Priya, you have to tell. Read the third one and tell me that which one is the compound adjective. Priya.
My 10-year-old comes with me at chess. 10 years old.
Which one, beta? Which one is the 10-year-old? There are 3. 10 years old. Can you tell me that ki 10-year-old? These 3 words are making an adjective. When an adjective is getting formed by joining 2 or more words, that is a compound adjective. 2 या 2 से ज्यादा शब्द मिलकर के जब adjective फॉर्म बनाए या एडजेक्टिव का काम करे तो वो कौन सा कंपाउंड एडजेक्टिव कहलाता है. तो दैट मींस प्रिया इज आल्सो करेक्ट. दीपिका, रीड द फोर्थ वन बेटा.
Yes, sir. The rapidly increasing levels of pollution in the city is a cause of worry.
What is this beta?
The compound adjective
LEVELS.
levels.
Levels. Which one is the compound
Levels.
adjective in this line?
Sir, rapidly increasing.
Rapidly increasing. Yes, very good. Mehak,
Yes, sir.
read the last one beta.
We were mesmerized by the breathtaking beauty of the forest.
Which one is the compound adjective?
Breathtaking.
Breathtaking. We were mesmerized by the breathtaking beauty of the forest. The next question is complete the compound adjective in these sentences. That means in these sentences you all are supposed to write the compound adjective. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So read the first one. Ansh Pandey.
Sonali use
Sonali?
her hand.
Beta, what is the name of that? Read the spelling first.
S-A
S.
S-O-H-A-I-L-A.
What is this? क्या हो गया? SO से क्या होगा? SO से क्या होगा?
So,
HAILA. इससे क्या होगा? HAILA. क्या होगा? दीपिका, what is this beta? Read this word.
Yes, sir.
बेटा read this word. ये क्या लिखा है?
Sohal.
सोहेल. सोहेल से
सोहेल.
बोल सकते हैं. Sohela is also correct. फिलहाल it should be this. Should I have to
Yes,
Sohel?
sir.
Okay. Sohela uses her left hand to eat. Sohela uses her left hand to eat, write, and do most other activities. She is left. What should I write here? Who can tell? How many can tell? Show me your hand. How many know that? What should be here? Okay, Priya, you I think you are confused. Can you? आप उतना कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं दिख रहा है आपके हैंड रेज करने में. आप बताइए जरा. प्रिया क्या लिखेंगे?
The left hand.
Left. She is left. देखो बेटा क्या बोलता है. Sohela uses her left hand to eat, write, and do most other activities. जो भी बच्चे या जो भी लोग लेफ्ट हैंड का ज्यादा यूज करते हैं उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? व्हाट वी से? लेफ्ट हैंड बोलते हैं या लेफ्ट हैंडर?
No, sir. Sir, left hander. Sir, left hander.
What should I write here?
Sir, hander.
Mehak, Deepika, Ans, what should I write here in the first one?
The left-handed.
Left-hander, okay.
Sir, left-handed.
Left-handed, okay. Come to the next. The lecture was so boring. The lecture was so boring. It felt like it would never end. It was a never. क्या होगा?
ended.
Okay, the second one is the lecture was so boring.
Yes, sir.
Like it would never end. It was a never. What should I write here?
Ended.
Never ended या ending? क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग?
Sir, ending.
It was
Sir, ending.
खत्म होने वाला था, ऐसा लग रहा था. Never ended नहीं, never ending. Never ending is an adjective, compound adjective. This next one is the Raju is a very good at playing the piano. He wants to become a world. What should I write?
Champion. Champion.
Sir, champion.
World champion. World champion pianist. बेटा, tell me one thing. World champion pianist होगा या कुछ और? Anybody are having any other word? World champion के अलावा? Yes. Mehak, unmute yourself, then speak.
Good.
World good. World famous भी तो होता है.
Yes, sir.
World famous भी तो मतलब
Yes,
everybody
sir.
want to be world famous. कहता हम world famous होना चाह रहे हैं. World champion is also the correct answer, and world famous is also the one of the correct answer. So both the answer is correct. Some people never understand others' points of view. Some people never understand others' points of view. It is very difficult to deal with such narrow which type. Some people never understand others' point of view. कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो दूसरे के point of view को, दूसरे की बातों को समझना ही नहीं चाहते, समझते ही नहीं. It is very difficult, या बहुत ही difficult होता है to deal with इन जैसों से डील करना बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट होता है. ये कैसे होते हैं, ये क्या कहलाते हैं? नैरो. व्हाट शुड आई राइट? नैरो से शुरू होता है. नैरो डैश पीपल किस तरह के लोग कहलाते हैं? पीपल से ना नैरो माइंडेड बोला जाता है ना. व्हाट यू हैव रिटन, लेट्स से at the beginning
Yes,
you all told that already you have completed this exercise. What you have written, Mehak?
The silly.
Word silly? No, narrow silly. Okay. Ans Pandey, what did you write?
The narrow other.
Narrow other people. बेटा जो सुनने रहा करो ना कभी बार, वैसे भी कोशिश भी करो. Try to think hard so that you can get some of the more words. वैसे फिलहाल whatever you have in your own mind, जो आपने सोचा है वो लिखा है, वो कोई गलत नहीं है. महक ने क्या लिखा है? What you have written, महक?
The silly.
World silly people. Oh, narrow silly people. अगर if you feel that if you have had narrow silly means क्या होता? संकीर्ण कहा जाता है. नैरो माइंडेड मतलब संकीर्ण बुद्धि वाला आदमी. तो क्या नैरो सिली मीन्स क्या होता है? थोड़ा सा आपको डिक्शनरी भी एक बार देखना चाहिए. फिलहाल कोई बात नहीं, अच्छा ट्राई किया है. द नेक्स्ट वन इज द, ऐसे लोगों को फिलहाल नैरो माइंडेड ही बोलते हैं. ओके.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I want to go mountaineering once in my life. I would love to stand on the snow. Snow की बात क्या होगा? What should I write here in the snow? I want to go mountaineering once in my life. I would love to stand on the snow-capped peaks. होता क्या है ना, peaks में समझते हैं? Mountain का जो सबसे ऊंचाई होता है, that is a peak. और जब वहां पे snow से ढका हुआ रहे तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे? उसको snow-capped ही तो बोलेंगे, snow-capped peaks. And look at the world around. उस snow-capped यानी उस पहाड़ों से, मतलब बर्फ से ढके हुई peaks पे खड़े होकर के मैं पूरे वर्ल्ड को देखना चाहता हूँ. वर्ल्ड के चारों तरफ देखना चाहता हूँ. Look at the world around. दुनिया को देखना चाहता हूँ, चारों तरफ जो भी वहां से दिखे उसको देखना चाहता हूँ. तो व्हाट शुड आई राइट हियर? स्नो कैप्ड, CAPPED, कैप्ड. कैप्ड आप पहनते हैं ना, वैसे स्नो यहाँ पे जो पीक है, द पीक ऑफ द माउंटेन, इसने क्या कैप्ड हुआ है? स्नो कैप्ड है, यानी स्नो पहना है एक तरीके से. ओके.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, moving ahead on the third question. Choose the correct compound adjective from the box to fill in the blanks. Choose the correct compound adjective from the box to fill in the blanks. The first one is, the recipe requires dash tomatoes. Which one should be, which one is the better compound adjective to be used before the tomato? Deepika.
Sir, sun dried.
Sun dried. Okay. Anybody else? Mehak, what you have written?
सर
Sir,
वही हम
sun-
लोग भी लिखे.
Sun dried.
Sir,
It
sun dried.
it looks better. It looks appropriate compound adjective for the tomato. Yes, sun dried is the correct. What is the next one? A dash class of students is every teacher's dream. Beta, it is. This is an information for you all.
Sir, well behaved.
Sir, well behaved.
The best
Yes, sir.
dash class of student is every teacher's dream. ये हर टीचर्स का सपना होता है, मेरा भी एक तरीके से सपना है कि उसका बच्चा, मतलब जो भी पढ़ने वाला बच्चा, वो वेल बिहेव हो. ये ना रहे कि आप पढ़ाते रहें और हंसते रहें लोग वहां वीडियो बंद करके कि चलो ये तो सर का काम है पढ़ाना. Okay, now moving ahead on the next. Raju broke my dash guitar. Which one is the
ब्रांड न्यू.
brand new guitar?
ब्रांड न्यू.
ब्रांड न्यू कहा जाता है, ये मेरा बिल्कुल ब्रांड न्यू,
Brand new.
न्यू, नया नया गिटार था, तोड़ दिया. It is a brand new guitar. It is a brand new mobile phone. So Raju broke my brand new guitar. The next one, we often assume that our grandparents are dash in their views.
Sir, old fashioned.
The fashion.
Fashion.
Old fashion. Old fashion.
Old fashion in their views. Okay. We often assume, आप हमेशा assume करते हैं that our grandparents, जो हमारे grandparents हैं, वो old fashions वाले रहते हैं in their views. Okay, if you all feel that like this, then it may be correct. What is the last one? The dash hall looked like a fairyland.
ब्राइटली लिट.
Brightly lit.
Okay. The last question is the make sentences with any 5 compound adjective. How many have make the sentences? You all need to write 5 sentences having 5 compound adjective. अब ये मत करिएगा इसी ऊपर fill in the blanks या true false जो आपने लिखा इसी में से उठा के 5 sentence लिख दें. You all have to make your own sentence. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I hope
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I hope everybody now, whoever did not write now whoever did not write the answer of these questions, I hope now they can also write. Now you all need to send the pic of your work of your answer of these questions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What about in book C? Is there any
Yes,
question
sir.
related
Yes, sir.
to this topic in book C? Is there any question related to this topic in book C?
Sir, 2 questions.
2 questions.
सर 2 क्वेश्चन है.
Okay, let me check that. Which questions are there? Let me open. There is only book B. In this, okay, two questions are there. 5.2. Is it the book C, na beta?
Yes, sir.
The first one is that the compound adjective in these sentences are wrongly matched. The compound adjectives in these sentences are wrongly matched. Rewrite the sentences using the correct compound adjective. बेटा जैसे बताते चल रहे हैं, also you all can mark your answer. You all can keep writing your answer into your book. Okay, it is on you that. लेट्स से अगर आप क्लास के बाद करते हैं तो वो ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा, कम से कम आप अपने दिमाग पे जोर डालेंगे। तो आप अगर तुरंत का तुरंत ना करें, क्लास के बाद करें, देन इट वुड बी बेटर फॉर योर मेमोरी। आप उसको मेमोराइज हो जाएगा जो भी आप लिखेंगे। अगर क्लास में तुरंत लिखेंगे तो नहीं याद होगा। बट इफ यू आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व जो भी अभी तक हमने डिस्कस किया, अंडरलाइन, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, ट्रू फॉल्स, व्हाटएवर इज देयर, वो सारी चीजें इफ यू आर गोइंग टू राइट आफ्टर द क्लास, तो ऑटोमेटिकली यू वुड बी मेमोराइज द आंसर। आपको रटना नहीं पड़ेगा। सो डू वन थिंग, राइट ऑल योर आंसर आफ्टर द
Yes.
after the session. Now you all just need to try to understand and keep remember. Beta, in the first question there is some compound adjective that is wrongly matched. You all need to rewrite the correct compound adjective. You all need to rewrite, दोबारा लिखना है sentences को using the correct compound adjective. The first one is, beta Deepika, read the first one.
Hymenets are often the cause of joint pains among women.
Okay, what is wrong here? What is wrong here, beta? What is wrong here? Can anybody tell that ki which what is wrong here, and can you tell me the answer of correct answer of these questions? Who can tell? Who can tell, beta? None of the students.
सर
Yes, Mehak.
सर हाई के बाद हाइफन फिर उसके बाद मिनट सब फर्स्ट था।
क्या होगा बेटा? क्या होगा? बेटा फिर से कहाँ चला गया? बेटा आप सभी को बुक दिख रहा है?
नो सर, सब ब्लैक ब्लैक दिख रहा है।
ब्लैक दिख रहा है?
यस सर।
This was the vocabulary junction, na beta?
यस सर।
Vocabulary junction. There is some technical issue with the system as of now I'm facing. Let me confirm. Okay. The first one is high minute shoes are often the cause of joint pains among the women. फिर से दिक्कतें हो रही होने लगी। But there is some technical issue. That is why I'm not able to share the any book. Actually, some error is happening. कुछ error आ रहा है. So what I'm doing? You all are having the books. I hope. Book लेके बैठे हैं ना?
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
Books ले और बाकी मैं ऐसे right now मुझे तो book दिख रहा है बस share नहीं हो रहा है. So I will discuss all those things like this, okay? इस तरह से डिस्कस कर लेते हैं.
Yes.
फिलहाल, how many have solved the book C? How many did solve the all the questions of book C? Question number जो book C का जो first and second questions है ना, questions are there. How many questions is there? क्यों बेटा? बुक सी में कितने क्वेश्चंस हैं?
2.
तो दोनों क्वेश्चन किसी ने सॉल्व किया है या नहीं? क्यों? किसी ने सॉल्व किया है?
No, sir.
अभी
Yes, sir.
अपडेट होने लगा. Wait, please wait 4 minutes while the update is installed. Okay. Now again, I'm not able to open the. There is some update is going on, so now I'm not able to open the book. Book ही नहीं open हो रहा है. It will take approx 5 minutes. 5 ही मिनट आपका सेशन भी बचा हुआ है. So what I'm doing, if you are having any problem with any of the questions, then directly you can ask. I will explain. Okay, do one thing. Let's recap. Let's revise about the compound adjective. Everybody have to tell. So there was a question that you all are supposed to write one sentence, 5 sentences having compound adjective. So what you have to do? You have to tell at least one sentences. Everybody need to tell the one sentences having the compound adjective. Okay, starting with Mehak. Okay, Deepika, tell us.
Sir, Sir Sohan is 10 years old. Sir, 10 year old.
Sohan is 10 years old. Okay, that means ki 10 years old, 10 years is showing 10 years old, 10 years old is showing the quality, is telling about the Sohan, so it may be correct. Mehak, yes Mehak.
Ramu is going to buy a new fashion dress for his sister.
Beta, pardon please, can you speak once again?
Ramu is going to buy a new fashion dress for his sister.
Ramu is going to buy a new fashion dress for his sister. Which word is the compound adjective in this line? Ans Pandey. Whatever the sentence अभी महक ने जो भी बोला है उसमें कौन सा compound adjective है? माइक ऑन करके बताइए.
Fashion dress.
Fashion dress या new fashion? क्यों महक? Which one is the adjective? Compound adjective.
The new fashion.
New fashion.
The new
What's
fashion.
the fashion? Dress is a noun. A new fashion is telling the quality of the, is telling about the noun. New fashion. ये ड्रेस के बारे में बताया जा रहा है. Whether it is a new fashion or old fashion. New fashion is a compound adjective. Yes, Priya, can you also speak one of the sentence?
Mohan is looking for part-time job.
Pardon, please.
Sir, part-time.
Which one is the compound adjective in that line? Whatever you spoken.
Sir, compound the part or part-time.
Acha, can you repeat the sentence? Can you repeat the sentence?
Sir, Mohan is looking for a part-time job.
Mohan is looking a part-time job. Mohan is looking a part-time job. मोहन क्या एक पार्ट टाइम जॉब देख रहा है, पार्ट टाइम जॉब सर्च कर रहा है, खोज रहा है. तो which one is the compound adjective that is a part time? Hans Pandey, now your turn.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir. Now there is only 1 minute is left. Only 1 minute is remaining. Try to speak one sentence. Beta, why you are looking? What you are looking? Try to speak one of the sentence having compound adjective. कोई भी यारे जैसे इन्होंने बोला, महक ने बोला, दीपिका ने बोला, प्रिया ने बोला, the same way also you can speak. कोई भी उसमें थोड़ा सा चेंजेस कर दो और क्या. Okay, Hans Pandey is not going to tell. Beta, the session is about to be closed. You all need to complete the vocabulary junction, complete all the exercises of the vocabulary junction and send the pic of your work. अपने work का photo जरूर भेजें. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This is for the day. Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye, sir.
Sir, goodbye.